Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I made the Mr. Beast fries, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did that. Also,
What the heck?
doesn't matter though, because I've still got over 100 subs. First, you want to take a potato and peel it over the bowl. Once you've done that, repeat the same process for another potato. With the crinkle cutter from last time, begin first by chopping the potato in half, then lay each half of the potato on its flat side and cut it into slices. Then you can also slice the slices in order to make sure the width of each fry is even. Now repeat this process for both potatoes. Once you're done, soak all the fries in a large bowl full of cold water and let that sit for about 20 minutes. While that happens, find any box big enough to fit the fries. Next, take a pickle out of the jar and chop it up using the crinkle cutter. Now you should be left with a couple of pieces. If you want to decorate it, I printed out the Mr. Beast logo and cut it out so I can attach it onto the box, making it look just like the box of the Beast style fries. Once it's soaked for 20 minutes, you can now drain out the water from the fries. After that, for 10 minutes, cover it with a towel in order to make sure it's dry. After 10 minutes, dump all the fries into a large bowl. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And with clean hands, start mixing the vegetable oil with the fries. Next, try to fit all the fries into the air fryer. First, fry it for 10 minutes on 400 and then take it out and flip them around with a tong. Then put it back in for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out so we can season them. Then put all the fries in the large bowl. Then add in a lot of both salt and pepper. Then, using either your hands or a tong, mix all the seasonings in. Cover the inside of the box with wax paper and put 90% of your fries inside it. Next, add in the rest of your fries to a pan on medium heat and put a piece of cheddar/American cheese on top of it. Cover it with a lid for 1 to 2 minutes in order for the cheese to really melt. Then, using a spatula and another tool, transfer the fries on top. If you have any, cover with excess fries. Now, drizzle some mustard, some ketchup, some mayonnaise, and finally sprinkle on your pickles. And there you go, you're done. What's up guys, so I'm back with my Mr. Beast style fries, and the cheese isn't really melted to the consistency I want, but that's because I forgot to take it out the refrigerator. Make sure to take it out of the refrigerator before you can use it, but yeah. Alright, so without ado, let's have a taste test. Oh, see the cheese? Ooh, smothers. Alright, let's try. Quite frankly, it's actually tasty. Very good. I'd give this one a 7 out of 10. But yeah. So let's hope to hit 150 subs. Maybe that's my next goal, but yeah. This is how you make Beast style fries.